Struggling with chord changes in the key of C major? Perhaps you've had a guitar in your hands now for a few years and you still feel like a beginner. Well, in this video we're going to practice some smooth, easy transitions between C major and some of the most common chords in that key, which are F, G, A minor, D minor and E minor. Now we'll always begin with the C major chord and then we'll play another chord after that. So we're only playing 2 bars, so C and another chord. We're playing 4/4 time, which means you're going to be playing 4 beats in the bar. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll be using a drum machine to keep us in time, playing at 60 beats per minute, which is 1 strum every second. So let's take it slow and steady, and improvement is just around the corner. Here's our first change. It's C major to F. Dun, dun, dun. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is C to A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, try and keep your shoulders relaxed. Try and keep your arm a little bit relaxed. So you don't want to be stiff and tense when you're playing, because that can, can make you feel very uncomfortable and can even, stop your guitar practice session. So try and stay as relaxed as you can. Obviously, don't be like this, but loosen up a little bit. Shake your wrists out a bit as well. Let's look at C to D minor. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going from C major to G major. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, guitar practice doesn't need to be complicated. Even doing something as simple as this from one chord to another over and over again will greatly improve your chord changes. If you want more practice like this, then click the link right here. And thank you so much for joining me today. Happy strumming.